Bitcoin Loophole is a robotic AI-based software that analyzes crypto markets on behalf of traders and executes buy and sell orders. To use this software, one requires no prior trading skills or technical expertise. The application is effective, easy to use, and gives users the prospect of reaping daily profits. Furthermore, the user doesn't have to spend his or her time in front of a computer, since the application analyzes and generates profitable trading signals for them. The existence of hundreds of crypto trading bots makes it difficult for traders to settle for one. Therefore, traders are becoming more careful with where they choose to invest their funds. This is why I'm creating this video, to help traders to decide for themselves whether Bitcoin Loophole is the right auto trading bot. And this video contains the features and benefits of using this application, Bitcoin Loophole. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be answering the question if Bitcoin Loophole is a scam or not. So let's hop into this video. Yo, what is up YouTube? It's boy Dontimtv. You know what's up? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. What I do on this channel is that I talk about how to make money online, personal finance, real estate investment, entrepreneurship, and a whole bunch of other money related topics on this channel, just like this video. Right, so in this video, like I said in the intro, I'm going to be telling you guys about Bitcoin Loophole. Right, like I said, Bitcoin Loophole is an AI-based robotic software that trades on its own. Right, it analyzes the crypto market and places trades, sells or buys at a very good time. Right, so it's actually something that is very swift. Like, don't really need to stress yourself. All you need to is to activate it. Once it's activated, it knows when to go into the trade and it knows when to bounce out. All right, and also it's designed in such a way that there is a 95% tendency of making you a profit. Right, so it's not like a whole bunch of other robotic software that ends up making you losses. Right, and before you know what's going on, you lose all your money. But this Bitcoin Loophole is basically designed in such a way that you are definitely going to make profit. Right now, like I said, it's a 95% stock. Right, so there's every tendency that the 5% is actually going to make you lost, but that's in a very rare case. Right, so in this video, I'm actually going to be telling you guys the benefits, like I said, and also how to make use of it. Right, not really in depth, but just a kind of review about this software. Right, so they have a very good customer care. Whenever you have a problem, you can actually relate to the customer care representative and they will tell you what to do and they will guide you on what to do, and their services are very swift. Now, the minimum investment on this platform is actually $250, which is actually very small. Right, so there is no hidden charges whatsoever. There is no charge whatsoever. I mean, everything is just free. Right, what you need is $250 investment, which is actually what you start to trade on. Right, they're actually the one taking care of the traders, the robots. There's no hidden charges. Now, it's not like they don't charge you at all. When the charge starts coming is when you start making profit. Now, what they do is this: when the profit starts coming, then they will take their own charge from the profit. Right, so they're not touching your startup. Right, your startup would be there for you. Right, so you're investing $250 and above. So if you have more than that, you can actually invest more and make much profit. Right, it's not like this is a get money quick kind of thing. Right, this is actually a software that helps you to minimize losses. It has a proficiency of embarking on a trade at 0.01 microsecond. That means it knows what is going to come out in the market, like 0.01 seconds behind before the market occurs. So they actually know what to do with that little amount of time, maybe to embark on a trade or not to embark on a trade. So it actually helps you to minimize losses. I mean, it actually helps you to minimize losses. So this is actually very juicy for me. Like, I really love it. The software is actually user friendly, so you can actually give it a try. I'm going to drop a link if you want to get a software. It's actually free. Like I said, it's very, very free. All you need to do is to use your $250 startup investment. You're actually making more money with this. Right, so drop a like if you like this video. If I'm telling you what you need to hear, just drop a like. If I'm not telling you what you need to hear, go ahead in the comment section and tell me that, hey bro, you're not telling me what I need to hear. You can drop a dislike and tell me why. Right, so please, if you do enjoy my content, make sure you drop a like on this video. Right, they accept a whole bunch of payment methods like PayPal, credit card, crypto pay, and a whole bunch of other payment method. Right, another juicy stuff about this software is that they have a very trusted and reliable brokers. All their brokers are certified. Right, you don't need to worry about maybe brokers running away with your money. No, and their brokers ensures that their traders or their investors ends up making profit, so you don't have anything to worry about. Right, so like I said, their payout and everything is just very swift. All right, once you deposit your money, it only takes about a second or thereabouts for you to see your money in your wallet. So that is just it for this Bitcoin loophole, right? Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, please drop a like on this video. Please, it helps a lot of people to see my content. As you guys can see, I'm in the village currently. Like, I traveled for the Christmas and the whole New Year celebration, so that is why I'm outside. Like, I literally don't know what to do. I attended somewhere, so just had to do this quick outro for this video. So please, make sure you turn around whenever I drop the content. Make sure you always drop a like and a comment down there in the comment section. And please follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv. Right? I actually did a giveaway to the homeless, but I've not done a giveaway for my subscribers. So hopefully I'm gonna do a giveaway anytime. Like anytime. It's not really for the New Year. It's not for the Christmas. I just want to show appreciation to you guys. Like, it has not been easy. 1.6k subscribers. I really appreciate it. So the giveaway is just for you guys supporting me. So it's not really gonna be huge, just a little token. Just if you're lucky to win it whenever I do it, just appreciate it and just accept it. So please, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I don't know, school is about to resume in my country. Like, the whole thing is just crazy, COVID-19 and the whole striking stuff. Like, it hasn't really been easy, but hopefully I'm gonna be dropping more standard content. Like, my content is just kind of messy, as you guys see. Like, but hey, just bear with me. In no distant time, I'm gonna be dropping more quality content and more like valuable content. So with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.